Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna draw Igris and the reference is already on the top of the video, and let's start by drawing a small circle in the middle of the paper. Afterwards, you have to mark the center and draw a center line horizontally as the next step. And now as our circle is split into two half pieces, I'm gonna divide the bottom half of the circle again into two equal pieces by drawing another horizontal line. And now it's finally time to draw the center line vertically. The final step as the structure of the face is to draw these two lines as the direction of the eyes. That's of course necessary to do so that our both of eyes would look same and have a perfect direction just like the reference. Now it's finally time to draw them. Make sure they look streamlined just like a fish, and also make sure that they don't get out of the lines. That reference of Igris is of course seems to be difficult, but I promise that I'm gonna make it look easy throughout the whole tutorial, so don't forget to watch till the end for better understanding and concepts. After we have successfully drawn the eyes, we just have to draw the little structure surrounding the eyes like this. I hope you won't have much difficulty in drawing them. And if you are here on my channel for the first time and found my video roaming on YouTube randomly, so don't forget to tell me in the comments if you like this video or if it was helpful, and don't forget to give a visit to my channel. And if you are the one who loves to draw anime, then don't forget to subscribe, because here I draw all the latest popular pictures of animes. I'm just trying to keep up. Hey, did you think it was easy? Just let me know in the comments and like the video too. It would be a great help.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling
And now finally moving to the rest of the body, I have again a structure here to draw and follow. So let's see what's gonna come. These two lines are for the shoulders, and then I'm gonna draw the circles at their end pointing as the joints. And now I guess so we need a center line too, of course. And now finally our structure for the body is complete, and now let's start drawing from the shoulders or neck maybe. Currently I'm drawing arm and it was a little bit difficult. Let's get through it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
Both of his arms are not gonna be same. They are different in structure, so don't worry about that.
Come in at night, let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me, hiding behind the curtain, a world so uncertain. Come and see where this leads. The circus.
Now let's draw the remaining hair. Oh, I guess they're not hair. They are just design of the character or the threads maybe. Whatever, just draw.
I set myself on fire just to keep you warm. Feeling my head was so tired, but where did we become?
Okay, so now as our rough sketch is complete, I'm gonna use the same pencil to darken the line art a little bit. And I'll remove the unnecessary structural lines later. You can do that even now before doing line art. After removing the unnecessary lines, let's do shading with the same pencil. That's the B grade, and I'm gonna shade in the whole area like that, same color.
All is said and done.
And now after making the base, it's time to do some dark shading as in the reference, just like that.
Kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
You can blend it too after shading. I also wanted to do, but I skipped it accidentally. I just forgot, and now let's end the video. That's my signature and the sketch is done. Let's meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself till then. Thanks for watching till the end, and like the video too. Bye bye, love you.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still. Hang